Hey everyone, Tommy from TechNexus, and thanks for joining me on today's video. Now, through this week we've covered text and dimensions and leaders and center lines, and today I want to have a look at doing tables. So I'm just going to delete some of this stuff, but if I wanted to stick a table for something, I can I can have different table styles. So like I said earlier, with multi-leaders and with dim styles, you might have a corporate style for your tables that always looks the same. We can have an empty table. I can link it to an Excel spreadsheet as well, so that can be quite handy if you are doing an Excel workbook somewhere and you want to present it as a table. Or we can extract block attributes and then make them into a table. But for today, I'm just going to do an empty one. And I've got 5 columns, column width of 63.5, 1 data row, 1 height. So I think just for now, we'll just stick it in there and just sort of start seeing what we've got. So, I can come in here. So I can say, let's go sample table. And then in here, I can start populating information. So this might be, layer, name, color, and then that way you can start, typing in all your layers, and then that way all of the information for people is on that table there. And it's not linked to the layers. I'm not saying that it is, but it might be a table that you want to put in there. And similar, I can come in here and say insert. Where are we? So I can go, let's put a row below. So very similar to Microsoft Excel, I can come in here and go columns, insert to the left. I can start adjusting all of this. I can, come in here and start making this bold. So then that way the headings sort of stand out. And then this one in here, so we can make the text, let's make the text 10 mil high. Oops. So sample header, and come in here and make it 10 mil high. And then that way you can see everything's just sort of adjusted. You can have these tables on your AutoCAD session for whatever it is that might be. And you can see we can extract data. We can link data, like I said. It's probably something that I might go through a little bit later once you sort of get into it. But, for the basics, if you need to put a table for any reason, you can see AutoCAD has the ability to put a table. You can copy paste from Excel. I haven't done it for a while, but from memory, I think if you copy paste an Excel table, I can't remember if it does come in. I thought it just comes in as normal text elements, but I'm happy to be proven wrong. But I think for now, just have a look at the sample table that you can come in here and just create a standard one, populate it with some of the information, have a play around with, things like the colors. So if we want to make, any changes to this, I can go that I want them to be all in yellow in the headings. So you can see we can do all of those in there as well. So if I want that to be blue, okay, then we have that option, and we can come in here and maybe change this to be red, just so it stands out. But again, very similar to AutoCAD, you have those options in there. Have a play with those, see if you can break it. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I'll endeavor to answer them as soon as I can. But like everything, thanks for watching. Hopefully it's been a good week for you as a starter for AutoCAD. It's been informative. Let me know in the comments below of any other issues, and I will see you next week. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked the video, thumbs down if you didn't, but please do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next week, and have a good weekend. See ya.